Is that yummy?
It looks yummy.
Eat your sandwich.
You trying to suck the jelly?
She's eating the fruit. Of course I start recording and she stops eating her sandwich the way she's been doing it. She's just shoveling in her fruit. Okay, eat your sandwich. That's... yum. Can you say yummy? Peyton. Ooh. You should take smaller bites. Are you sucking the jelly off? That's not how you eat a sandwich. No, you need to take smaller bites.
So I got a little bit of that crying.